Tom wakes up on a sunny morning. He feels happy, but today is special. He does not know why yet. Tom gets out of bed, he opens his window, fresh air comes in, he smiles. Tom goes to the kitchen, he makes breakfast, he likes toast and eggs. His cat, Whiskers, sits near his feet. Tom laughs and pets Whiskers. After breakfast, Tom finds a note on his door. It says, "Look outside." Tom feels curious. What could it be? He opens the door and steps outside. There on the porch is a small box. It is wrapped in bright paper with a red bow. Tom picks up the box. He wonders what is inside. Before opening it, he looks around. Who left this gift? He thinks of his family and friends. Tom sits on a chair with the box. He gently unties the bow and peels back the paper. Inside, he finds a small plant. It is a little green cactus with tiny pink flowers. There is also a note. It says, "For you, to brighten your day." Tom smiles. He loves plants. This surprise makes him feel happy and warm inside. He brings the cactus inside. He places it on the windowsill. The sun shines on the little plant. Tom drinks his coffee and looks at the cactus. It is a good day. Tom decides to call his sister. He wants to share his happiness. She picks up the phone and they talk for a while. He tells her about the surprise gift. His sister laughs happily. She knows Tom loves plants very much. After the call, Tom feels even better. He goes out for a walk with Whiskers. They walk through the park. The trees are green and the flowers are blooming. Tom feels calm. As he walks, he thinks about how nice people can be. Even a small gift can make someone feel special. Tom returns home with Whiskers. He waters his new cactus. The day ends with a beautiful sunset. Tom sits by the window and watches the sky change colors. He feels grateful for the little things in life, like sunshine, Whiskers, and a surprise gift from someone who cares. Tom goes to bed with a smile. He looks forward to another sunny day tomorrow.